right, let's check out this Harley. We just got in it, unique, specialty, and classics. We dabbled the specialty Harley some, and that's what we have here. 2015 Harley-Davidson CVO Screaming Eagle Ultra Limited. Beautiful bike. This one is in palladium silver, typhoon maroon, with kind of a, I don't know if I'd call it a metal flake, but just a beautiful red, breaking up the two-tone paint of the palladium silver and typhoon maroon. A little over 14,000 miles on this bike. This was in Harley-Davidson top-of-the-line touring bike in 2015. Cool thing about this is it does have the big bore kit done to it. So standard it would have came with a 110 cubic inch engine. Now it has the 117 Screaming Eagle big bore kit. Just a great looking bike. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, I've went all around this and compartments and accessories that go with it. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link. You can click on that. That's going to take you right to it. Or you can call us. Feel free to give us a call. We don't see this one lasting too long. 507-386-1726. The one thing I will tell you also is where you see some of the spots on our pad back here we take pictures. No, that's not from this bike. It's from some of the older cars that have been brought onto the pad that sit, drip a little bit when they're getting pictured up. So not from this Harley. Seat on this would have been heated and cooled seating. It also has the front backrest that's included in it, and the travel bags that go inside these rear baggage compartments. The cover, there's of course like the commemorative key, the key fobs, all of that stuff. Check out in the pictures. Those are all in the back storage compartments. I think there was a Harley-Davidson battery charger that went with it, a few other different things. So check out the still pictures. You'll see what all is included in there. The bike cover, if I mentioned that or not. Now, we do consider trades. That's where this came in, from a trade on a car. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located. So used to doing cars, getting this motorcycle to where you're located at. Again, extremely nice shape. 2015 CVO Screaming Eagle Ultra Limited. Here would be your seat controls. Cooled seats, heated seats. Let's take a look at the chrome on this. Very, very nice shape. Let's go ahead and start it up. I think this is about as equipped as you could have got a 2015 Harley. There's the miles on it, 14,392. Your touchscreen navigation, stereo system, of course cruise control, all the goodies on this one. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. 117 cubic inch engine. LED lighting. What a great looking bike. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. Down below this video there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the still pictures.